Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to hide WhatsApp number in WhatsApp group. First of all guys, you need to make sure that you have logged in into your WhatsApp account, and then you need to click on the three dots icon on your right upper side and choose settings. After that, you need to select the first selection, account. Go on privacy and scroll down. As you can see, you have the about option, and in about option is clearly your number. Go on it, and now here it is, who can see your about section. Here, for example, on me it's typed for everyone, but I will go on just my contacts, and now just my contacts can see my phone number. But for example, if I want to hide it from all, I'll go nobody. Now nobody can see my WhatsApp number in some WhatsApp group or just a single conversation with one person. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.